Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how to add audio to your poster. I've taken a template from makesigns.com, and when you go to the top, usually you're at the home site. But now what I'd like you to do is go to Insert, come over to Audio on my PC, Record Audio. So you want to click on Record Audio. Okay, and you can give it a name or just leave it as recorded sound. Click on here. Now click on OK. So, hi everyone. I wanted to show you how to use the audio portion of the template that you may have gotten from makesigns.com. So usually you end up here, as you can follow my cursor, you may end up here with the home, but I want you to go to Insert, come all the way over to the right, and you're going to see Audio. Now, if you were uploading an audio from your computer, you would click on Audio on my PC, but you're going to record audio. I will tell you, don't record more than once. Delete it if you need to record a second time. I tell you to write out your narration, write out a script, because the more times you upload it, then it becomes too large of a file and we can't upload it to Padlet. You may have difficulty uploading it to Blackboard. So click on Record. Now you can name this poster intro. This will tell you the length as you're going along. So now I'm going to click on this red part to begin to speak. Hello everyone. I'd like to share with you about the scientific poster. Now I'm going to stop. And now what I can do is click OK, or I can read. Now what happened there, it was feeding back what I recorded, just so I could listen to it. Now I'm going to click OK. Okay, and what you will find is a little microphone somewhere, wherever you had done this, but move it. I'm going to suggest maybe up to the top. Okay, a little microphone will appear and everybody will know to put their cursor there and then click on this arrow to listen. And that is it.